Welcome to Vested Interests. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. It is October 5th. If you happen to hear some noise in the background, they are still working on my pool. We have some heavy equipment here in the back, so forgive me if it's a little noisy. Hopefully it's not as noisy for you as it is for me. Let's jump right into the video.
Okay.
How are you going right now?
I'm gonna run. I just told him that he's like, I said, how long do you think you'll be? And he was like, just kind of depends on how gone home Jed is.
Yeah, to get the rest of it out of here.
Because Jed,
that's fine.
The guy is coming. He said I made it for tomorrow morning.
Right, for the pool.
For the thing. So okay, the girls are here because now they don't want to go.
Okay, I'll watch them.
I've been sleeping with ice on my neck the last 3 nights. I need to go get this thing fixed.
Yep, I'll see you when you get back from the
and
chiropractor.
Then we'll make steaks.
Yep, I'm in the.
Okay
can I? Yep, I'm in the middle of this,
I'm
so that's fine.
Sorry.
Thanks. All right, see you when you get back. All right, that was my wife again. Apologize for the interruption. Let's jump back into the video. We are going to look at Huntington Bank. I'm sorry, I do these in one take too, so I don't go back and edit these. So if there's any interruptions, you're just going to have to deal with the interruptions like I do, and we'll move along. Huntington Bank, about us. Welcome to Huntington. Thank you for your interest in learning more about us. Huntington Bancshares Incorporated is a $179 billion asset regional bank holding company headquartered in Columbus, Ohio, founded in 1866. Another one that's been around for well over 100 years. Another one that has weathered the storms, previous recessions, depressions, wars, you name it. They've been around. They've withstood it. They're a regional bank. They are growing here in Michigan where I'm at. I was down doing some work in Ohio here a couple years back. They're down there growing as well. Branches in 11 states. So they are for businesses, corporations, municipalities, small and middle market consumers, and other organizations. Comprehensive suite of banking, payments, wealth management, and risk management products. Over 1,000 branches in 11 states. So that is Huntington Bancshares in a nutshell. If you want to know more about them, check them out at www.huntington.com. And a lot of difference a day makes. Yesterday, not much was in the red. Today, a lot is in the red. Huntington Bancshares was down 1.65% on the day. Again, we're talking about Huntington Bancshares Incorporated, ticker HBAN. They are out of the financial sector. Closed the day, October 5th, at $13.72. 52-week range as low as $11.67, as high as $17.79. They are closer to their 52-week low. Obviously, I would like to get them back here in this $11 range. I was buying them in the 14s, the 13s, and down in the 12s. So if they dropped back here, I would continue to buy them. This is a little bit below my cost basis. You'll see that in a minute. Average volume, 14.3 million. Today's volume, 24.2, so probably a lot of selling today. Market of 19.787 billion. They are more volatile than the overall market with a beta of 1.19. You can clearly see that volatility. PE ratio of 12, but for banks, you really want to get in and look at their price to book. You want something around or below a 1, and you want PEG ratio is another good one to look at, but really price to book for financials. Earnings date is coming up on October 21st. And their dividend is paid out quarterly, but for the year you would get 62 cents per share, and that amounts to a yield of 4.44%. So very nice yield here. Ex-dividend date is coming up on we just passed September 16th was the ex-dividend date. And according to Yahoo Finance, they have a 1-year estimated target where I pulled this information, not affiliated, but their 1-year target estimate is $14.91. Now, as we jump over and look at a stockanalysis.com, another one site I like to pull information from, not affiliated with them either, but according to the 25 stock analysts they have looking at this, they call it a consensus buy. It's right there on the edge of a buy and a hold, but overall a buy. And their low estimate is $11.11, which would be a new 52-week low if it happened to get that low, which would be also a 19.02% decline from where it currently sits. And again, if it dropped into these lows, I would be a buyer of this stock here. Average estimate of $15.21, which would be a 10.86% increase in upside. And if it happened to hit their high back to an all-time high, 52-week high here, it would be a 30.10% upside and $17.85. All the while, you'd be collecting that 4+% dividend yield depending on where you bought them. Now let's jump over. I do have a long position in Huntington Bancshares. I have 169.405 shares. My cost basis is $14.63 per share. I am down 6.6%. So a loss of $38.90. A loss of $153.94. Looks like this was the loss for today. And my cost into the whole position is $2,478.18, currently worth $2,324.24. So again, a loss of $153.94. Not concerned with that. I don't mind seeing red. It just means that I can add and continue to decrease my cost basis here. So if I was picking them up even at the 1372, it would drop this cost basis down, increase my dividend yield, increase my future potential returns, and that does not bother me one bit. So these are some quick hitters here. So I just want to find value in the market where we can, for you, for me, for everyone involved. And this is a quick look at day 2 of my backyard. Obviously you can see it's still a mess. They're still digging out back. Apologies if you hear any heavy equipment in the background. That's actually them. They're still there, still out back right now at a little past 4:30 when I'm recording this. So day 2, so it won't be long before the pool's in and my yard gets back to normal, although some of it will be dirt until the spring whenever the grass comes back up. So that's day 2. And as always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Huntington Bank shares. Let me know what you think of the video. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. Go ahead and drop it all down below. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount and not come to losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek to get advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.